Have you ever wondered why your credit score just isn't moving? You've paid your bills, avoided debt, and yet it's still stuck. Let's break down exactly why this happens and how to fix it fast. A lot of Canadians think that if you're not missing payments, your credit score should naturally go up. But that's not always true. There are 5 sneaky reasons your credit score might be staying low, and today we're fixing all 5. Reason 1. You're not using enough credit or any at all. Your credit score needs data to work with. If you've stopped using your credit card or never had one to begin with, you're giving the credit system nothing to grade you on. Fix. Start using your credit card for small recurring purchases, like your Netflix, gas, groceries. Then set up autopay so it's paid off on time. This builds trust. Reason 2. You're using too much of your limit. Even if you pay your card off every month, if your balance is high at the time your statement is reported, it still hurts your score. Why? Because of something called utilization. Credit utilization is the percent of your limit that you're using. The golden rule? Keep it under 30%. Under 10% is even better. Fix. Raise your credit limit and keep your spending modest. If your limit is $1,000, try to stay under $300. Reason 3. You only have one type of credit. Your credit score also benefits from credit diversity. That means different types of accounts. Credit cards, car loans, a phone bill, maybe a small line of credit. If all you have is one credit card, that's not showing lenders that you can manage different forms of debt. Fix. Consider opening a second credit product, a no-fee card or low-limit line of credit. Use it lightly and pay it off. Reason 4. Your credit age is too young. If you just started building credit, your score will lag for a bit. Lenders want to see a long history of responsible usage, not just a few good months. Fix. Be patient, but don't close your oldest credit card, even if you don't use it often. Keeping it open helps your average credit age grow. Reason 5. You have inaccurate info on your report. Mistakes happen. Maybe an old phone bill was never marked as paid. Or maybe there's something on your file that doesn't even belong to you. Fix. Check your credit report. You can use free tools like Credit Karma or Borrowell to see what's on file and dispute errors. So let's recap the winning strategy. Use your credit regularly, but responsibly. Keep utilization low. Diversify your credit products. Don't close old accounts. Check your report for errors. If you follow those steps consistently, your score will go up. And that's when the doors open for bigger goals. A house, a car, maybe even using credit to make more money. And remember, a high credit score isn't just about borrowing, it's about options. And the more options you have, the more powerful you become. Like this video if it helped, and hit subscribe if you're serious about mastering money in Canada. This is Street Smart Canada, and we're just getting started.